Before you spend hundreds upgrading your phone in 2025, watch this. I tested the latest iPhone and Android in real-life situations. No hype, no bias, and the results might actually save you money. So today, I'm comparing two of the most popular phones in the US right now, the latest iPhone and one of the top Android flagships. I'm testing what actually matters: speed, camera, battery, and real daily use. No specs-only nonsense. Let's start with speed, not benchmarks, real use. The iPhone still has that super consistent smoothness that Apple is known for, but Android is shockingly close this year. For multitasking, Android is actually faster because of better RAM management, so if you're upgrading just for speed, you might not need to. Now cameras, the part everyone cares about. iPhone takes the more natural, realistic photos. Skin tones are great, video is still king, and stabilization looks amazing. Android? The photos are sharper, more dramatic, wider dynamic range, and the zoom on Android absolutely destroys the iPhone this year. So if you shoot videos, iPhone wins. If you shoot photos, Android gives you more flexibility. Battery life is where things get interesting. After the exact same test, the Android phone lasted longer. Bigger battery, smarter optimization. But the iPhone charges noticeably faster this year, so it evens out. Here's the part nobody talks about: daily experience. iPhone still has the smoother, cleaner system. Apps just feel more polished. But Android gives you way more control. Customizations, split screen, better notifications, and Google Assistant still destroys Siri in speed and accuracy. So should you upgrade in 2025? The jump this year is solid, but not game-changing for everyone. Drop a comment below with your budget and whether you prefer iPhone or Android. I'll reply with the best option for you. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button so more people don't waste their money.